All of you, can you hear me? Sonam, Muskan, Jagisha, Jyoti, response all of you. Acha. Just minimize the box. Today we will start again our local government. What is local government? What is local government? Local government is the government at the village and district level involving the day-to-day life problem of ordinary citizen, and the advantage of the local government is that so near to the people. Exactly. Yes. Okay. Firstly, what is the necessity of local government? Is there any necessity of local government? What? To solve the what type of problem? Like what? Yes.
A local government is formed for the local issues of a particular area, because no government will come of higher level to solve the problems of local.
Exactly. Sit down. That means we have a parliament, right? For discussing various issues. What type of issues? It related to state, it related to country, it related to amendment, etc., etc. We are already in which chapter? We have discussed the different type of in legislature chapter. We have already discussed how to make the law, or what are the process of law making, etc., etc. What is the power of Rajya Sabha? What is the power of Lok Sabha? But still, somehow the local government is the bottom level of the any region, any place, any state, any country. So if any local region face any problem, that will not discuss at the parliament, right? Yes or no? So the government maintain should another department for for solve this type of issue. That's why the necessity of the local government. So clear why the local government is important, or why local government is different another statutory body. Why? So somehow to present or to discuss the local problem or to solve the local problem, there is a necessity of one local government. Clear? That's why Indian government, according to Parliament, just in the year of 1992, there was two amendments. What are the two amendments? 73rd and 74th amendment. Just I will come. So the main act was passed at the year of 1992, but just go through the 110 years before, at the time of Viceroy Lord Ripon, we have already found this type of structure in our administrative structure, administrative portion. So so firstly, it is the one of the first stage of our local government. Clear? Day by day we are upgraded. We are upgraded means with the help of technology, innovation of technology. Day to day our life is changed. After the independence, when was we independent? 1997. 1947. After independence, we are construct our constitution, right? We are making different type of laws on the basis of different rules and regulation, and the total constitution, which is based on the two act or two law. Two act. What are the two act? Two government act, which is based on the two government act. What are the two government act? Government Act of 1919 and 1935. So the local government is also importance of the Government of India Act 1919 and 1935. Clear? Now we directly, so what is the necessity of the local government? It is clear. Now directly we are come to the point. What is local government? What is local government? Local government is a government at the village level involving the day-to-day life, the problem and ordinary citizens. जो हम common people है, common people का क्या है, जो प्रॉब्लम है वो प्रॉब्लम कौन सोल्यूशन करेगा, कौन कौन वो डिस्कस करेगा, हु which department is responsible for this, which department is responsible for the solution, where we go to the implemented our problems, etc, etc. So there is another structure in our administrative body, that is local government, that is three-tier system. What is three-tier system? What is the meaning of three-tier system? That is three-tier means three stage. Three-tier means three steps, step by step. 1, 2, second, 1, 2, third. So if we consider as a three stage, that means in this portion, village level, right? Second stage, clear? And the third stage is according to our hierarchical level, according to our hierarchical thinking town urban area whatever. Okay, clear? Yes or no? So village level, then block level, then district level, upward movement, right? Clear? There are three structures, there are three tier. Okay, three tier means three stage, three step. Now the question is, what is the another name of the local government? What is the another name of the local government? Panchayat, one kind of Panchayat Raj. Only so that means Panchayat Raj means where it is implemented? Village area. That means if one region is divided into two categories, what are the two categories? One is rural, urban. So this C-tier structure, C-tier structure is regarding the rural area. That's why we consider the village, block, and district level. Clear? And there are two amendments, 73 and 74. What is considered 73 and what is considered 74? 73 for rural area and 74 for urban area. Clear? Now we have discussed the 73rd amendment and the three-tier structure of the local government. According to 73rd amendment, there are three-tier system, or it's called Panchayat Raj Constitution. Every village has some. Every village is no. Every village makes some common citizen, right? From top bottom. सब विलेज में क्या होता है, पर्टिकुलर कुछ वोटर्स होते हैं, राइट? उस सारे वोटर्स को लेकर क्या होता है, एग्जाम. ऑल वोटर्स accumulated at a village level is called sabha. Clear? So जब एक सभा बन गया, okay fine, सभा is making. So it will continue. Who will responsible or to control the sabha? So there is a necessity of another person or any other group of members. Here, how to manage the classroom? Teacher manages the classroom, right? Otherwise, in the absence of teachers, you are laughing and laughing. Yes or no? So there is a necessity of management. So that's why also there is a necessity of the village management, one kind of village management. How to control the management, how to manage the village, how to solve the issues of the village, etc. So there is a one structure, that is when the all voters means who are eligible for the voting election at the age of 18 years and above है वो सारे क्या है वोटर्स. तो सारे वोटर्स जब एक साल एलिजिबल होते हैं फॉर द डिस्कस वेरियस इशू ऑफ विलेज, इट्स कॉल्ड सभा. ओके, एंड हु कंट्रोल द सभा? पंचायत कंट्रोल द. Clear? And who is the head of the panchayat? And panchayat means member of 5 people or group of 5. Clear? After this question. Next. Next stage is block level. Okay. Actually, the Panchayati Raj system is totally divided into 3 portions, that is block level, or somehow what is block? There are 3 or 4 villages accumulated and it's another category of 1. Clear? What is the similar name of the block or parallel name of the block? Here the second stage is mandal. That means where this portion is called committee also. Where when we elect the representative or elect the representative at the committee level. Here village level at Gram Sabha or block level at the committee. And the third portion is district level. So district level is called Jilla Parishad, exactly. So there are the 3 structures. What are the 3 structures? Sabha, block of the mandal of the committee, and Jilla Parishad or district. Clear? That is your 3 structure of the Panchayati Raj system. Now there are what type of issues are there? What type of issues are in rural areas? The common issues. What are the common issues? Common issues, that means common problem which is faced by the rural people. Tell me the problem of rural people. Anyone to hear? Exactly. Kacha houses. Very good. Next. Sit down. Next. One problem is availability of water, electricity, education, transportation, and also one of the important is sanitation. Clear? So these are the common issues of common people or in rural areas. अगर हम अर्बन एरिया की बात करें तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज आर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल, but in respect to the regarding to our local government, rural area, sometimes there is the absence of the proper road, proper transportation system, proper school, proper electricity, etc. There are various types of problems. So that's why the necessity of the rural organization or local government, it is clear. Yes or no? Block level. There are every one person who are control this total phenomena, district at the district level, at the block level, at the Gram Panchayat level. Who is the control district level and who is control block level? Every department has selected one post as a chairperson or adhyaksh. Clear? Obviously, district magistrate तो होता ही है, definitely. But it is a speech structure. आपको अभी तक हमारे DM का कोई आया है? According to NCERT अभी तक नहीं आया. Okay, it's वो अलग matter. Next. So village level, block level, district level complete हो गया. 3 structure it is completed. And the 70th amendment was already completed. And rest of the portion is 74th is urban area. Now there is just one minute. There is another importance. If there is a problem means and problem is if there is any problem, that means there is a solution. And all problems related to money, right? Yes or no? Almost. If we construct the road, money. If we construct the proper school, it is also money. We are constructing proper sanitation draining system, it is also regarding money. So how to solve the problem? Money is the only solution, right? Yes or no? So who controls the money regarding Lok Sabha यहाँ rural problem क्यों solve करने आएगा? Tell me. That is a rural problem. बजट देगा, सब कुछ करेगा, लेकिन there is another different, इसीलिए it's different. Yes. State government. Who is the responsible? State government is responsible. Why state government is responsible? Because village is under the state. Village is the lower topmost, the bottommost position of the cash constituent. That is
the situation कैसे restrict करते हैं? Less hamlet, first is hamlet, then village, then block, then state, district, then state, then country. Whatever, country or district, and country within continent. Obviously, so this is a hierarchical level, yes or no? From bottom to topmost position, upward. Clear? Yes or no? So the hamlet, village, block, district, सारे किसको represent करते हैं? State को represent करता है. Hamlet means it's when the hamlet means it's one kind of dispersed settlement जब टोपोग्राफिक बैरियर की वजह से टोपोग्राफिकल बैरियर की वजह से नेशनल बैरियर की वजह से जहां पे प्लेन लैंड कम मिलता है वहां पे क्या होता है कि हिली एरिया हो सकता है, सैनिटेशन प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, दूसरे कोई फैक्टर भी हो सकता है, बट स्टिल द नंबर ऑफ हाउसहोल्ड्स इज वेरी रेयर. That means 2 or 2 to 5 people, 2 to 5 households accumulated one family. ठीक है? एक विलेज में कितना हाउसहोल्ड होता है? 100, 200, 300, 50, 60, जो भी. लेकिन जब इसका पॉपुलेशन 5000 हो जाता है, then it is converted to 100. Clear? But see, household means one family. One family, just one family means 2 members, 3 members, 5 members. One family just equal to one household. Clear? So hamlet is the last position. That's why if hamlet is greater than according to population, according to family, it is converted to village. Okay. Just we consider from the hamlet to village, block, district, etc. So the total in the village, block, and district is under the category of the state. So who is responsible for the state? State is responsible for to solve all the problems of village level, block level, district level. So state has appointed one election commission and one finance commission. What is the necessity of election commission and what is the necessity of finance commission? पहले हम finance पे आते हैं. All problem solution is one. What is the solution? Money. So money कहाँ से आएगा? What is the source of the money? Revenue is the source of the money. Right? Clear? Then who monitoring the money? It is who is responsible? State is responsible. So state is appointed one finance commission at a tenure of 5 years. जो उस 5 years के जो भी बजट होगा, जो भी रूरल डेवलपमेंट होगा, जो भी प्रोजेक्ट